Picking up from where we left off, oh my gosh. Last night, in the afternoon, in the evening, let's just say in the evening, my good friends from Max Aluminum stopped by. This is a pretty involved aluminum order, skin order / extras. I mean, there's the roof, rolled up, ready to go. So I usually would lay it down here, but this, remember these? This is just a protective coating. That will all come off. This is that panel that has 1 brake, 2 brakes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 before it even starts the next one. So remember, every time that you put a brake in something, it curls it like that. And that's what this big curl is. Now, good news and bad news. I think it makes it more sturdy. I mean, that's what they're for. It makes, okay, that's not what I think. What I know is it makes it more sturdy. So, but when I lay it down here, it keeps that curve and it just falls out. Just wants to fall down. I can put all of these and whatever against it, because that's what I did at first. I got this stuff. I was going to lay that in there. They lay that on it. We'd just pop it out. But be that as it may, I said, hey, let's try and stand it up long ways. He's like, that might work if you're careful. Well, I'm nothing if not careful. So that's what I did. That's what we did. My friends at Max, MACS Aluminum. We'll put the phone number to those guys. They're awesome. You know they are. I talk about them all the time. They're just cool. I mean, they don't pay me, but they're just, you should talk good about good people. And a lot of you use them, and I am very grateful for that, because they say something about it when they stop by, and that makes me feel good that you guys trust me enough to use really good people. But anyway, enough about me. This is Lilette's camper. We're at least peeling parts away, and we're getting closer. That down there is the roof, parts of the roof for this one. So that's where I'm at. I guess I just had to show you that because I had to explain why it's laying around. This is the J-rail. It's not J-rail. That I get. It's 14 feet long. Reasonably priced, my friends. Okay. What I wanted to tell you is that if you remember that cookie camper, Andrea with the cookie camper, we put a little serving shelf right here that would collapse or come off. So I remembered that, luckily, before we've done any painting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the inside and I'm going to reinforce with a 1x4 right here at about 20. It's going to be, I mean, because if you're standing, remember, you've got all that space under the camper. If you're sitting, you at least would like to sit and be somewhat comfortable. But the customer is going to have to be somewhere between 23 and 26 inches for that counter to be able to comfortably reach up, get their product, lay down their money. You don't want to make it rough for the customer. Your employees, that's their problem. No. And they're just going to do fun things with it. They're not going to start a business or anything from what they told me. But they did love that, and they wanted that there for like trick-or-treating and, you know, just a fun place to stop by their camper and they can pass things out. And I thought, okay, we'll do that. But as you can see, today is going to be paint day. I got to get this all sanded down. I got to get it painted. So I want to get the glue drying. So my first stop is right there. And then I will be sanding away. And then we're going to build the sides here. Well, we'll probably install right here first so that I know exactly where this is going to go. Okay. And then that's not paint. That's going to be shellac. That's paint. That's where we're going today. Let me keep you updated. Can I take you through something about how my mind works in almost real time? The customer, after we went through everything, I took all my notes. We did that on the first meeting. And then I called right before we started to go over more, just to make sure I had complete understanding. Oh, you can't see that. complete understanding of what I was going to do, because I don't want to leave anything out. I don't want to miss anything. I want the customer to be happy. That was all done. I got working. And the customer called and said, hey, on that upper cabinet, I'd really like some scallops. Can you do that? Well, I knew it was going to look like this. And so I literally drew this. And then this wasn't there yet, but put that arrow. And she said, yes. Yes. So I used this, and I built everything. And that was the last thing I built. There's no scalloping in here, boys. So the camper wouldn't let me do it. Literally, this cabinet was like, don't touch me with scallops. So I couldn't do it. And this is one of those where I don't call the customer. I don't want her to make me do it. I don't want her to make me do it. Because you scallop this, then every time you reach in here, the scallops aren't that thick. Okay? It's just Luan. There's just an opportunity that you're going to hit it, break it, whatever. Hey, what's up, boys? You guys getting exercise in. It's about 40 degrees. Good for them. So, with the camper telling me no and me thinking I don't like to do that anyway, right above the sink, and it's going to block some light, I said, I'm going to listen to the camper on this one. I'm doing it. I'm not asking permission, though. But I have to give them something for that. There has to be something that she doesn't even notice it. So my expectation is when we come in, I say, ta-da! And she goes, oh, I love it. And she never even sees it, that it's gone. So what I did, now you remember, or maybe you don't, this is the pattern that runs along the windows, okay? It's going to be pink, okay? So they had to have that. There's no talking them out of it. They had to have it. That's cool, okay? We're doing it. So I said, you know what I can do? I can take this I showed you earlier as a backsplash, paint it pink, put it right there. Now, you may say that's out of place. You might think so. But our Wilson art came in. I haven't unpacked it, so I can't show you. But it is a pink pattern we have never used. And it's pretty tastefully pink, if there is such a thing. So, there will be pink out here. There will really be no pink in here except for the table and the countertop Wilson art. So I thought, if I tie this right here, that's going to put a pretty big statement piece right there. And she loves pink. So, that is me asking for forgiveness in the realm of, that is so cool. I don't notice that I didn't get scallops. Oh, speaking of pink, of course, there will be the giant pink refrigerator. And then back on this side, there will be the microwave. I think it's going to balance perfectly. I really do. I'm hopeful. Cross your fingers, say a prayer, send me good vibes, whatever works for you. I hope it works for me. That's real time Rob doing what he wants and asking for forgiveness, hoping that the customer is as happy as the trailer's going to be. Kind of hope this video comes in good. Started installing the roof. Don't worry, that'll be trimmed out. And it was just fighting me. Tough. Anyway, I got that built and got it shellacked. Matching nicely with the front. We installed some stability up there. And just started making everything where the AC is going to fit and the fridge is going to fit. I'm not going to install the upper cabinet right away. I've got to get this painted, then put it up there as the black backsplash, and then I'll install that. I made this piece here. We're going to have about a foot section of extra, which we always need to make any adjustments. So, I got this installed. But what I'm telling you, this was fighting me, and I was done fighting it. I was just one of those days, and I said, you know what? I need a quick win. I need something cool. I need a quick win. So I came out here and I made the countertop. And you know what? That made me feel good. That's the original sink. We put, it's a little sawdusty, but put in new drain hardware. This is original to the camper. Gave them some new, installed them some new 3/4 trim. Still got to trim out this butyl in here. And of course a nice new faucet. That pink isn't bad, really. We'll edit that out. How dare I? But man, I tell you, got our hardware on under here too. But I tell you, that was the quick win that I needed. I just having that. I don't know. I'm sure everybody gets like that. But now that just refreshed me. I'm probably about done for the day. HR's inspecting the scene. Anyway, yeah. That was my quick win for the day, and I feel really good about it, and I think it's pretty. Sometimes you just need pretty things in your life. All right, that quick win helped me get through the week, and it's the new weekend, so I'm refreshed. I brought the back panel out. I got it shellacked. My son-in-law and my daughter will be here. They're here. Their car's here. They're going to be here later. While they're here, I'm going to have them help me install it. It's going to be a little awkward, only because it's a lot of bending. And he's tall, and she is experienced at this, helping me all these years. So that's going to be good. And I just sat that in there, as you know, for my quick win. And so today, here's what I'm going to do today. Beyond doing that, I routed out the window. It looks great. And we're going to, as I said earlier, we're going to get that installed, and I'm ready to install. So I think if I give myself a list of things to do, I'll get to it. All right? So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the floor in. I put a false floor in here because there's already a floor. But just the way I want the refrigerator to sit, I wanted to put the false floor in. And it's going to set it just where I want it, and it's going to make the customer happy. So that's going to get done today. And this is in no particular order. I've got a little trim piece that I have painted. I'm going to install there. Then here I've got to put in a shelf. I've got to come over here and cut a hole for the microwave. I don't know if I'm going to put the microwave down here. Obviously it's going there. All right. But I don't know if I want the cord to come out here and plug in here, and that will give them an extra plug-in on this side. And then they could just use that for whatever they're going to do over here, instead of running it in here. And that's kind of really, it's out of sight, out of mind, and there's two there anyway. That's good thinking, Rob. I'll probably do that. Yeah. Where could I put it? Should I put it down here or up here? I think this would be closer. You know what? Boys, I'm going to put a shelf right there. No, down here. I'm gonna put a shelf right here. Because remember, we've got bunks coming out to here. The bunks are really, I shouldn't say it this way, but they're killing us putting anything back here. Or even up here. Because the children will bump their heads. So, we've got to not only be cautious, we have got to put things in that will help. And I think that would help. So if I put right here an outlet, I think I'd put a little cool shelf right here, or maybe even a little lower, because I got to get below this line. I mean, it stops here. The bunk stops the bunk stops here. So does the bunk. So we'll look at it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Get those put in there, and I'll probably use that 1/2-inch ply. Then I've only got to make 1, 2, 3. Wow. Oh, 4 or 5 when we get that installed. There's only 5 cabinet doors, boys. But I think it only came with 4. Might have been 5. But so, we're doing good. There was 2 down here. They didn't want 2 down there. We put 1 down there. So we're good there. I think that would be pretty good to get that done today. But I do want to show you something. Huh? I might even be a little proud of myself. Because I do get a lot of these comments. So, what I'm going to do, put that right there. Oh, I can't turn this around. Why can't I turn it around? Hold on. Hold tight right there. Look at this. Let me see if I can get back far enough. Am I? Almost. Did you see what's different? Could you see it? Let me go down this way. There's nothing on this. There's no stains on this shirt. Look at these pants. Huh? No shellac. No paint. No holes. I feel like a new man. How about that? I feel good. I really do. Sometimes you just need that. Plus, it's getting cold, boys. It's getting cold. There's no more short pants with holes in it around these parts. I'm telling you right now. But hey, I just wanted to show you that. We're talking about quick wins. And listen, you know me by now. It takes very little to make me happy. It really, really does. And hey, you know what? I feel like I'm going to work and not to happy work.